Video we are going to show you how to remove the center console from Lexus IS250 2014, which is similar to some other years. The tools that you need is this blue dashboard removal tool and the size 10mm socket and the Phillips screwdriver. We already made everything loose and removed all the screws. This is just for the demo only. It shows you all the steps that you need to take out. Otherwise the rest of it is easy. We just have to know the procedure. The first step, you pop this the side panel on the passenger side, and then you pop this panel on the passenger side, and you do the same thing on the driver's side. And then you put the start the car and put the car in the neutral. And then you can turn off the car, so this way we can remove the center console and then remove the shifter knob. To get the shifter knob off, you just push this shifter boot downward and just turn the shifter knob counterclockwise and it comes out. And then we remove this side panel. This is on the passenger side, and you have to remove all these screws too, by the way. They have only 3 Phillips screws for this side covers. And then it's the same thing on the driver's side. There's the 3 Phillips screws. You get those out and you can just pop these panels out. Now you just lift up the armrest and then we can pop up this cup holder. It doesn't have any screws, it just pop out, but it has one connector. Once you remove it, you need to disconnect the connector. Yeah, there's only one connector in the front. Now on this step on the driver's side, there is only one Phillips screw right where the P and the shifter is, right underneath. It just goes all the way right there. Just use a long screwdriver and just remove this Phillips screw. And make sure your shifter is in the neutral, and then we pop up the whole shifter assembly. You just pull it forward and then you disconnect all the connectors. Yeah, these are all the connectors. Then you can put them on the side. Now in this step we remove all the screws. There are 2 underneath the radio and the 2 holding this bracket. And as we go back, there is a screw here for this bracket. Actually there's 4 of them. And there is 2 screws all the way which you have to go in the back seat in order to remove it. It's all the way behind the center console, which I'll show you in a minute. And here from the back seat of the view from the back seat of the car, you pop up this AC vent. And then there are 2 10mm screws that are exposed on each side. Once you get those out, and then we go in the front to remove the center console. Now that we got all the screws out, you remove this metal bracket in the front, and then you remove this bracket, which we already took all the screws out. And now we remove this rear AC vent section. And now that everything is out, we lift up the whole center console and then we pull it back. And now we remove the section for the AC vents, the front part of it. Okay. And that's it. So now the center console is completely removed. And if you need to check the connector for the radio, is located right here. In case if you need to check the connector. Because we actually made this video in order to check the connectors for the radio to replace it. And that's it.